Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Android tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform a full reset of your Android 7.0 or Nougat device. Doing this will delete all of the data including pictures, text, anything that's on the phone, so it'll be a full factory reset. This is important to do if you're going to sell your device or give it to someone else, and it's also something you could do if you're having a lot of problems with your phone and you want to reset it and see if that fixes the issues. So to get started, it's very easy to do. We're going to swipe down and go to Settings. Once we're in Settings, we'll scroll all the way down and we'll go to Backup and Reset. Once we're in Backup and Reset, we go to Factory Data Reset. Now if you have a PIN or a lock on your phone, it's going to ask you to unlock it before you reset it, but if you don't, just go ahead and hit Reset Phone. Now we're going to select Erase Everything. As you can see, it's beginning the factory data reset. It'll reboot the phone, go through some steps, and then the phone will restart and it'll be just like when you first got it, where it asks you to log in, everything like that. That's how you perform a full factory reset of your Android 7.0 or Nougat device. If you have any questions about how to do this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Android tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel Gauging Gadgets for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.